This tutorial is going to walk through how to view a recording from a live session. So we are currently on the home page, find it on the home, and we have already logged in, so you can refer to our how to log in video if you're unsure of how to log in. So we're going to go ahead and click on the silhouette. We're going to go to My Library. It's going to take us to our offering. We might have multiple products here if we've purchased multiple things. So you'll see each of them lining up there. But for now, we have this one, this live with Kim session. So I'm going to go to View Product. And now we hosted a session yesterday that was live. And so we are going to show you how to get back to that recording. And so you can scroll down. If you were to join the live session, you would go to the live call with Kim. We've got our how to join a live call tutorial that you can refer to for full information on that. But today we're going to go to session recordings. We want to go back to view a session that Kim had hosted already. So we can click on session recordings, and here you're going to see the time and the date of the recording of the session. If there's multiple, they'll show up below this. And so you can go ahead and click right on that. And this is how you'll be able to watch it. You can go full screen. You can change the volume. You can press play and watch the video playback. One thing you can also do when going back to the video playbacks is if you'd like to leave comments, you can go ahead and leave comments in the comment section. You can see that I've already posted a comment here. If you see somebody's posted a comment and you'd like to reply, you can reply to that comment, and only your own comments, you'll be able to go in and edit them as you'd like. If you have any questions, please reach out. We're happy to help. Thank you.